You look demonic right now.
And you missed it.
What you? He's trying to get that off?
Yeah.
Trying to get that off? Is that wrapped around you? Simba?
Oh, stop.
Come on, Sim. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Alright, Gus, help him. Help him, Gus. Help him, Gus. Yeah, of course. Gus has the bag, so he can't really move. Come here. Come here. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Go. Go. Simba. Simba. There you go.